Construction industry statistics and data are playing an increasingly important role in the building and contractor sectors. This is especially true as it relates to the amount of time contractors dedicate in the construction and renovation of properties. According to the Insider Construction online industry research firm Digital Builder, 72% of firms say that projects have taken longer than expected. A good portion of the loss of time is heavily due to the amount of time contractors spend off-site searching and purchasing tools, equipment, and supplies for their contracted projects. Today, there is a platform which will significantly reduce the time contractors are spending shopping for provisions while saving money. Introducing the Contract Us app. Contract Us is the new construction supply delivery app which is easy to use. Simply go to their home and product page and select a link from any of the associated hardware and building supply stores to select the merchandise desired. Once payment is made for your purchase, a receipt will be submitted from the store directly to a nearby fully vetted and licensed Contract Us driver for immediate pickup and delivery to your location. Contract Us will place their small fee in escrow until product is delivered and accepted. Contract Us is especially beneficial for last-minute or forgotten material for the job at hand. This app will increase productivity for the professional contractor. Contract Us will also increase sales and add value for its participating stores. So whether you need screws, sheetrock, tools, paint, or more, download the Contract Us app today for free on iPhone or Android and construct a much more efficient workflow while saving time and money.